Siphon dosing gives tiny house septic systems a reliable, low-energy way to move effluent without an electric pump. A compact automatic siphon is built around a small dosing chamber that fills by gravity from the septic tank and then discharges quickly when the siphon primes. Choose a siphon size to the expected daily flow and to the lift required so it reliably primes with minimal head. Install a vented overflow and an air inlet tube that prevents airlocks and allows the siphon to break cleanly so repeat cycles are consistent. Position the supply connection so gravity feeds the chamber directly from the tank with a gentle slope and avoid long horizontal runs that trap solids. Use rigid, smooth interior piping and access ports to make cleaning the chamber and siphon components simple and to reduce biomat buildup that can prevent priming. Include a simple manual override valve or a removable priming port so a homeowner can clear a clog or reprime the system without specialized tools. The most common mistake is undersizing the chamber or siphon so the device never gets enough water to prime reliably, which you fix by calculating peak flows and increasing chamber volume or lowering the lift. Second, poor venting or an improperly routed air inlet causes intermittent priming failures, so reroute the vent to free air and ensure it remains above potential flood levels and away from backflow paths. Third, neglecting maintenance lets solids accumulate and foul the siphon jet, so build the system with access for periodic cleaning and train occupants to avoid flushing solids that accelerate buildup. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners locate local contractors and to help contractors find work that fits their skills. Our site also hosts an active discussion community where users share installation tips and troubleshooting for systems like siphon dosing.